Janet Museveni byabagambira obwabira ryo mugenyo mukuru aha mukoro gwo kujweka abakazi ababire bahereza omushomo gw'ebyemikono ahari wa Mama Production Center ababire batendekirwe kumara emyezi 6 omu myogo etari emwe n'emwe.
I congratulate all those persons whose names have been read for the award of the Uganda Vocational Qualifications Modular Transcript of the Directorate of Industrial Training, Ministry of Education and Sports, in the occupation of baker. Congratulations to all of you. I always wish and pray that we African women would have that unity and work together and save until one day they can say to the World Bank, we don't need your money. That's what we must work to see in Africa, because even when we learn to work, we don't even save. When you save a little money and Christmas is coming round, you get all of it and you use it and you have to start right. So let me call upon the leadership of Wamama Production Center to take advantage of the industrial hubs established nationally.
Ejebirero group ya kabiri kutendeka omu myogo egi kandi yo kubanza kaheza omushomo gw'omwaka gw'2023 obwe barukukora ebibuzo bya Directorate of Industrial Training.
You have now been trained and equipped to participate in various income generating activities. This has not only contributed to building your self-esteem, but has also enhanced the welfare and well-being of your families.
Major General David Mugisha, komanda w'amahanga kuma president, agizire ngo emyogo yibahira bakaza batera kuza kubayamba chonka ngukureka neja kuyamba nebyange barukurugamo.
If you empower a woman, you empower a nation. This truth resonates profoundly within the Special Forces Command and its surrounding areas, where the skills have impacted lives.
Each barracks, women gather, do their products, then we sell them together. And the barracks administration has always supported us. We have 21 products on market, and the SFC Ame canteens, they've been supporting us by buying from us what they supply to their credit and cash canteens. We are so happy.
Gasha kwa Abdul Karim Sengendo.